करो तुम.
So the numericals based on the applications of UCM. Let us consider the very first numerical, that a fan is rotating at 90 RPM. RPM, a revolution per minute. That is treated as frequency. Generally represented by the factor n or n0. Frequency, what do we understand by frequency? It is the number of rotations per second, number of revolutions per second, okay, number of oscillations per second, generally called as frequency. Here a fan is rotating at 90 rpm, so it's a frequency n0 is equal to 90 rpm, revolution per minute, that is 90 upon minute 60 second. 100 gets cancelled, 9 upon 6 with the help of table 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5 hertz. Okay, next point, it is switched off. The fan suddenly switched off. At that time its angular velocity, that is omega 0 is equal to 2 pi n0. Put the values. 2 pi, what is n0? We have 1.5, so this 1.5 multiplied by 2, 15 to the 30. After I check 1 unit the decimal point, so it is 3 pi radian per second. It stops after 21 revolutions. The fan stops after how many revolutions? After 21 revolutions. So number of revolutions, that is n is equal to how much? 21. Okay, number of revolutions is equal to 21. Therefore the angular displacement here, that is equal to theta is equal to 2 pi n. Put the values here, that is equal to 2 pi n. How many numbers? 21. So it becomes 42 pi. Okay. Now by using equations of kinematical, analogous, by using the equations of kinematical, that is we can write alpha is equal to omega minus omega 0 upon t. What is alpha? It is called as angular acceleration. We know that fan is rotating, it is in accelerating motion, so its angular acceleration, that is called as change in angular velocity upon time. But analogous, we can write it in this way, that is omega square minus omega 0 square upon 2 theta. But using kinematical analogous equations, we can write this. Put the values. Omega, since the fan finally stops, so its final angular velocity is 0. What is the initial angular velocity? We have to find out. That is 3. Time that we have to calculate. Calculate the time. Time we have to find out. The time t as it is. Omega square. Again, we know that finally the fan stops rotating, so its final angular velocity is 0. So 0 square minus initial angular velocity, that is nothing but we have calculated already 3. It is 3 pi. So 3 pi bracket square upon 2 theta, angular displacement theta, that is 42 pi. 0 minus 3 pi as it is, minus 3 pi upon t. 0 square 0 minus 3 pi square, that is 9 pi square. 42 multiplied by 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, it is 84 pi. What happens here? Numerator, denominator, 1 pi gets cancelled. Minus minus of both sides gets cancelled when if there is equal symbol in between them. What remains here? 3 pi upon t is equal to here 9. 1 pi remains is still 9 pi upon 84. 9 pi upon 84. Both sides once again. Okay. Both sides once again. Pi gets cancelled because in between them equal symbol. What remains? 3 upon t is equal to 9 upon 84. Just taking cross product, 9t is equal to 3 into 84. Therefore, t is equal to 3 into 84 upon 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, it becomes 24. So 3 8s are 24. Therefore, t is equal to 24 seconds. Okay. So how much the time required to stop the fan? The fan takes 24 seconds to come at the rest condition. Watch it carefully. A fan is rotating at 90 RPM revolution per minute, that is frequency n is equal to, or n0 is equal to 90 RPM, 90 upon 60, 1010 gets cancelled, it becomes 3 by 2, that is 1.5 Hz. It is switched off. The finally we switched off the fan. What happens? Its angular velocity omega 0, 2 pi n0, 2 pi n0 that is 1.5, it is 3 pi radian per second. Before it starts, how much revolutions the fan completed while it comes under rest? It completed 21 revolutions. Number of revolutions 21. Its angular displacement, how much displacement it covers? 2 pi n. So 2 pi n 21, it is 42 pi. Now by using grammatical equations, analogous, we can write omega minus omega 0 by t, that is angular acceleration. Omega square minus omega 0 square upon 2 theta. Put the values. Finally, we got time t is equal to 24 seconds. Okay. Now, I am just changing the values. I am keeping the same question, but just changing the values. Let us consider some different values. That a fan is rotating at, just we are changing the values. Take it as it is 120 RPM. A fan is rotating at 120 RPM. It is switched off. It stops after 24 revolutions. It stops after 24 revolutions. Calculate the time taken by it by assuming g is equal to 10 meters per second. Same things. What happens here? A fan is rotating at 120 RPM. So the frequency is nothing but here. That is 120 RPM. That is 120 upon 60. 1010 gets cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It is 2 Hertz. Frequency is measured in Hertz. What? 2 Hertz. So its initial angular velocity, that is 2 pi n0, that is equal to 2 pi n0. We have calculated 2 Hertz. So it is 4 pi radian per second. You got the idea? Okay. So this is 4 pi radian per second angular velocity. Okay. Now, how much rotations the fan completed? Let us consider the total rotations are here. Number of rotations, that is equal to 24. Okay. Number of rotations is equal to 24. Okay. So angular displacement is equal to 2 pi n, that is 2 pi into 24. It becomes, yes, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. It is 48 pi. It is the angular displacement. Again, by using mathematical equations, alpha is equal to omega minus omega 0 upon t, or omega square minus omega 0 square by 2 theta. Put the values here. Okay, omega, that is the angular velocity. Finally, the fan stops, so no velocity, that is 0 minus What is the initial angular velocity? We have calculated 4 pi. We have to find out time t as it is. Omega square, final angular velocity, it is again 0. So 0 square minus omega 0 square, that is initial angular velocity. It is 4 pi square upon 2. How much theta? It is 48 pi. Now we have put up the values. What happens? Watch it carefully. 0 minus 4 pi as it is upon time t is equal to 0 square 0 minus symbol as it is 4 pi square, it is 16 pi square to the denominator. Yes, 2 8s are 16, 6 1 remains, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 96 pi to the denominator. Here to the right side 1 pi gets cancelled. Negative symbol of both sides also gets cancelled. What remains? Here again 1 pi is remain. That pi with this pi gets cancelled. So 4 upon t is equal to 16 upon 96. Okay, taking cross product. 16 t is equal to 4 into 96. Therefore, t is equal to 4 into 96 upon 16. With the help of 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Again 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 remains. 4 4s are 16. Therefore, t is equal to 24 seconds. Got the idea? Watch it carefully, one by one steps. Okay. Very simple. You have to do the practice once, twice, thrice, just by changing the values. Then we can easily get the idea. I am changing once again the values that you can solve yourself. Let us consider. As it is, a fan is rotating at 120 rpm. Take it as it is rotating at 180 rpm. It is switched off. It stops after 24 revolutions. Now we are changing it. Let us consider it stops after 30 revolutions. Calculate the time taken by it to stop. Okay, that you can solve yourself by using the same formula, the same method. Okay. Now, so this is about to calculate the time factor based on applications of usage. Another important question we have, that yesterday we have seen the application, that is vehicles moving on a curved road. Watch it. See the question. A motorcyclist is to undertake horizontal circles inside the cylindrical wall, of a well कुआं जिसको कहेंगे, of a well of inner radius 4 meter Okay. Coefficient of static friction. Coefficient of static friction is 0.4. It is given. Okay. What is asked here? Calculate the minimum speed. Calculate the minimum speed. Calculate the minimum speed and the frequency. So first of all, let us see this. Calculate the minimum frequency and frequency. The application based on UCM. Yesterday we have seen the numerical is based on that. A motorcyclist is to undertake horizontal circles inside the cylindrical wall of a valve of inner radius is given. Write down first of all in the solution given. First of all, in the solution given, that is radius r is equal to 4 meter. It is given. Coefficient of static friction. Coefficient of static friction, that is μs is equal. It is given 0.4. Okay. Calculate the minimum speed. That is speed v. Minimum v mean. Question mark. And frequency also asked. The frequency that is represented by the factor n. Question mark. We have radius r. Coefficient of friction is v. Minimum. We know that minimum speed v mean is equal to under root rg upon µs. We have seen yesterday. That is minimum speed v mean is equal to under root rg upon µs. Put the values here. That is v mean is equal to rg, r radius 4 meter, g that is considered or it is given, that is g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so g 10. Static friction 0.4. What happens here? 4 gets cancelled. What remains here? That is v mean is equal to under 10 upon 0.1. 0.1 is, when 0.1 goes to numerator, it becomes again 10. That is 10 into 10. That is 100. So square root of 10, 100. That is called as 10 meter per second. 10 into 10, 100. The square root of 100 is 10. That is 10 meter per second. This is minimum speed. Again, what is asked here? Frequency. In a wave of their mouth के कुएं में, the stunt performer rotating. It means the time period that is capital T is equal to. It is rotating. It means it is covering total circumference. So CF. To rotate, he requires a certain speed. That is mathematical equation. T is equal to circumference 2 pi speed v. It is said that the period is the reciprocal of frequency. So we can write it in this way. That is 1 upon n is equal to 2 pi r upon v. We have to calculate frequency n, or it can also be done as that is n is equal to v upon 2 pi r. Okay. So put the values here. What is v? Velocity, that is equal to 10 to the value of pi 3.14. The radius r that we have already, radius r 4 meter. So it becomes 10 upon these 2 4s are 8 into 3.40. Okay, or 10 upon round figure we are getting 8 3s are 24 in this way. Just solve it. Solve it. 24 and 10. Okay. In 24 table, just give a point. It becomes 100. 24 4s are 96. What remains? 4. Okay. Just we can write here 8. Then what happens? 24 2s are 48. So the answer is here. The frequency n is equal to 0.42 hertz. That's watch it carefully. What is given here? A motorcyclist is to undertake horizontal circles inside the cylindrical ball of where of inner radius. Radius is given 4 meter. Coefficient of static friction given mu is 0.4. What is the calculated minimum speed? V min. Frequency n. With the help of this given, we are well familiar about the formula. V min is equal to Rg upon mu. Put the values. We get finally V 10 meter per second. Frequency n is asked. What is frequency? It is V upon 2 pi. How it is V upon 2 pi? Frequency is the reciprocal of time period. In a well of that, the instrument performer requires certain time to revolve around the well. So that is circumference. And to revolve requires certain speed. So T is equal to 2 pi upon V. As period is reciprocal of frequency, so 1 upon T is equal to 2 pi V. Or n is equal to V upon 2 pi. Put the values. We get finally 0.42 hertz.